Hey guys, I'm in Israel and we are getting ready for Passover. My mom is getting ready to make her roasted pepper salad, which is delicious and is basically in every meal in this house. Super simple, some fresh lemon and fresh garlic and roasted peppers. There is a how to roast peppers tutorial on the blog, which I will link to below if you need some help with that, because the peppers that she's going to use are already roasted. She roasts them whenever she has time and she puts them in the freezer, and then when there's a big meal coming or whenever she wants, she can just pull them out and make the salad. So we're gonna join her and she's gonna tell us how to do it. This time she is using roasted green peppers, which she could not remember the name of the variety. She's leaving them whole. So she's using these roasted green spicy peppers and then also bell peppers. You can do whatever you want in this kind of salad. You can use roasted poblano peppers. You can use just bell peppers. You can use just spicy peppers. You can mix the two. You can mix whatever you have and it's all going to turn out really good. The spicy peppers she is leaving whole, and the red peppers she's just cutting into long strips. And again, here too, you can do whatever you want. You can dice it, you can leave everything whole, and then people can just take a large piece and cut it as they eat the salad. Really, there are no rules. Okay, so next we're adding garlic cloves. Again, all the measurements and everything will be under the video in the description. So these garlic cloves have been frozen. My mom used so much garlic that she just lets my dad sit down at the dining room table and peel a whole bunch of garlic cloves, and then she put all of them in the freezer for whenever she needs. That's why they look a little different. So we added some diced or sliced garlic cloves, and then we're adding fresh lemon, and you just remove the seeds, slice the lemon and remove the seeds, but don't remove the rind. So we want the rind of the lemon in the salad. It adds a little bit of bitterness and a whole lot of flavor. It's really delicious. Next, she adds parsley, leaves from a few stems of parsley, and give them a good wash because they usually have some soil or sand on them when they come from the store especially, and then just chop them roughly and add them to the salad. To season this salad, she adds olive oil and black pepper, a little bit of cumin, and salt to taste. And then all that we have left to do is give it a good toss. And the really great thing with this salad is that it can hold in the fridge for up to a week. So in this case, we were making it for Passover dinner and we made it a day before. It's a great salad to make for a party because you can make it ahead, and it's a great salad to just have in the fridge to add on top of sandwiches or on the side of dinner or something like that. And you'll see in a minute that she gives it a good mix, and then she puts it in a plastic container and it goes in the fridge. And all you've got to do before you serve it is give it a good toss and then transfer it to a serving dish, and it's ready to go. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again in the next one.